Did you know that travel, education, and health are some of the most common IELTS speaking topics? Using precise and advanced vocabulary in these areas can make your answers stand out. You're watching IELTS with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel confident on test day. In this video, you'll learn advanced vocabulary for these topics and how to use the words naturally in your answers so you sound fluent. Let's start with travel vocabulary. Cultural exchange means sharing ideas and traditions when people visit other places. Jet lag is the tiredness after crossing time zones. Sustainable tourism is travel that respects the environment and local communities. Here's how you could use those words naturally when answering, why do people travel abroad? I think people travel abroad mainly for cultural exchange. It helps them understand new traditions and lifestyles. Of course, the long flights can cause jet lag, but most travelers don't mind if the trip is meaningful. These days, many people also prefer sustainable tourism, traveling in ways that protect the environment and support local communities. Notice how each keyword fits smoothly into the sentence? That's exactly what examiners look for in a band 7 or higher response. Now, let's talk about education. Higher education means studying at a university or college level. Distance learning is when you study remotely, usually online. And academic achievement refers to success in your studies, like getting top grades or winning awards. For instance, you could say, pursuing higher education abroad was challenging, but distance learning gave me the flexibility to work and study, and that really improved my academic achievement overall. Ready to lock it in? Tap the link for a quick IELTS practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Finally, let's move to health. Preventive care means staying healthy by avoiding illness before it starts. Mental well-being refers to how we feel emotionally and psychologically. And immunization is the process of protecting people from diseases through vaccines. If asked, what can governments do to improve public health? You might say, governments should invest more in preventive care programs and promote mental well-being by encouraging people to lead healthier lifestyles. This kind of answer works well because it's clear, balanced, and uses precise vocabulary. You're not just listing ideas. You're explaining how governments can take action using natural collocations like preventive care programs and promote mental well-being. That shows examiners both strong topic knowledge and a solid lexical range. One common mistake, mixing up medicine and treatment. Medicine is a drug you take. For example, the doctor prescribed medicine for the infection. On the other hand, treatment is the whole care plan. For example, her treatment included surgery, physiotherapy, and medication. The rule of thumb: use the precise word the situation calls for to sound accurate and natural. Let's recap. You've learned high-value vocabulary for travel, like cultural exchange, jet lag, and sustainable tourism. For education, we covered higher education, distance learning, and academic achievement. And for health, preventive care, mental well-being, and immunization. Try using one or two of these terms in your answers. That small step can make you sound more natural and help raise your IELTS score. Now, keep that momentum going. Tap the link and head to the IELTS Study Hub on Quizlet for practice tests, flashcards, study guides, and everything you need to succeed on test day.